Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller headphone jack. First, locate the 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom of your DualShock 4 controller. Simply plug your wired headset's audio jack firmly into this port. Make sure it's fully inserted to ensure a stable connection and clear audio. This simple step is the foundation for enjoying immersive sound directly through your controller. Once connected, you'll want to fine-tune your audio. Press and hold the PS button on your controller to bring up the quick menu. From there, navigate to Sound/Devices. Select Output to Headphones and choose between all audio for a complete sound experience, or Chat Audio if you only need to hear your teammates. This allows you to customize your audio output precisely to your preferences. For clear communication, ensure your microphone is properly set up. Many headsets have a physical mute switch, so double-check that it's disengaged. Back in the quick menu, under Sound/Devices, you can easily adjust the volume control headphones slider to your desired level. Also, use the Adjust Microphone Level option to ensure your voice is coming through clearly to your friends. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of your PS4 console and controller can often resolve minor audio glitches. It's also a good idea to test your headset with another device, like a smartphone, to confirm it's functioning properly. If the problem persists, try a different 3.5mm headset to determine if the issue lies with your controller's port or the original headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.